game. It's a rich thing.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We finally got CJ here. We're finally doing a part for him. It's been like 20 years since he installed a part. So what are we doing today?
Carbon fiber hood.
Fiber.
Fresh carbon fiber. Endless RPM.
Yeah, endless hood.
So my nigga Todd can't drive. Tag him.
Alright, we're tagging right here. Todd can't drive, right? Alright, we'll tag him. Yeah, he got a hood, so we're gonna be installing it. We'll have to go pick up the hood, so yeah, so we leave his car here, go get the hood, and it'll be fun. It's gonna be real fun.
Dumb shit we do. Yay! Demi's first transport. White van activities. We made it. Survive. Sir. White van activities.
Alright guys, we are back at the house. As you saw, CJ was back there holding his hood down so that way it doesn't slide, because we have like the little work van right now. You guys are interested in that, I can tell you guys about it, but it's the new little mobile mechanic van. We're going to do a little carbon fiber hood install, so we're going to take this one off, very straightforward. Let's open it up. He had no hood struts, which is good for the carbon fiber hood, not good for us right now, because it don't matter anyway, but it's coming off. Technically, if you do the carbon fiber hood, you really don't want good hood struts. You really want blown out ones, because if it had good hood struts, you will have to be careful every time you pop this hood. It will fling, and what will mess up is the hinges right here, because it's not going to be used to that pressure. It's like boom boom or whatever. But technically the hood struts, or no, I think right here will crack, honestly, where it pulls from the hood. But anyways, now we're gonna be installing it, taking this one off and stuff like that. Another thing, you guys are interested in like maybe some Mythic Customs merch? I got my like logo right here. I'll put that here. If you guys are like interested in it, I can make some like shirts or whatever. I got a few comments already about it, but I don't think I'm big enough for something to drop the money in, unless you guys are actually interested and tell me. But if anything, I'll send out some stickers. You guys want some stickers? Maybe the first person to comment down, if you guys want a sticker, let me know and reply back to me, because there's no point of asking for a sticker if you guys are not gonna reply back to me. I don't know if I have any. Yeah, it's right here. You guys want one of those? Hit me up right now. But anyway, let's get back into the install. All right, so we're doing the hood like we said. And actually Chance is going to be doing the headlights, which is going to be dope. So here's the before, and then usually Chance makes it come out like this, just saying. So watch after this. So let's get this hood installed. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop off these both ends, very easy. So let me grab a flathead. Alright, so as you're taking this off, you're going to take this off right here. All you do is just gonna pry this tab up just enough where it kind of sticks out like that, and then hold the hood up while you're doing it, and then boom, comes right out. We'll do the other side next. Same spot?
Same spot. The guy wanted $4 grand for the truck. I said, you're tripping balls.
Okay.
And
all right, we're going to take off the 210 mils. Very simple. One, two. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other side. All right, now we're gonna take it off. So I got it from here, go on that side, and grab it from a column, grabbing it. You can put the, here you go. Got it? Yeah. Let's go over here. Yeah. And actually, for now, let's put it, just put it right here on the floor. Just right here. All right. Now show them. All right. Hood is off. That easy. Literally just two 10 mils. And we're gonna go.
That's how all the East Coast people be riding.
It looks actually pretty nice without a hood, honestly. All right, guys. This is the new hood going on. Look at that.
That's good to like.
Get those carbon fibers. Ooh. So this is the endless RPM vented hood. We'll show you the difference between this and OEM hood. Is obviously has vents, and one thing is no longer has a trim piece right here because it's all molded in at the front, and I'll show you guys when we have it on. So let's go pull it out. All right, so right now we just got it started for now, just hand tight, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for this side. We're just gonna line up the holes, hand tight it. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, so we got 10 mils, not fully tight yet, just because we're gonna maybe mess with the fitment if we have to, and we're gonna now put these back on. So go down. Okay, and then this just snaps right back in. I'm just letting you guys know, if you guys are doing this, be careful with this piece. If you misalign this, it's a pain in the ass to line it back up. Go down, and then you just, there you go, pop it in. So now we're gonna see how the fitment is before we tighten it fully, because you never know if you gotta adjust it a little bit or not. So let's close it up. So it looks like if anything it needs to shift to the left. Well, let's close all the way. Close all the way. Okay, so now we can see the fitment. Honestly, this is not OEM, so it's not gonna be perfect, but we just want to make sure the gaps are even, which it might be pretty close. If anything, maybe to the left a little bit, but it's hard to tell right here. So let me get back to you guys right after. All right, so we kind of got it like how we want it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up again. So much lighter. And then we're gonna tighten up those bolts, and you don't have to go crazy tight. Just when it stops, just a little snug, and that's it. These are carbon fiber. You don't want it breaking on you. So yep. Just that. That's all you need. Alright guys, so that is that.
Sheesh.
What do you think? What do you think?
Looks crazy. Just wait till the headlights are done.
Yep, we'll show you guys a little bit after the headlights are done, but
Just have a nice little angle spot.
It's pretty good. Do one more photo.
That shit look good.
damn, look at this. Yeah, you can see right here. There's no trim no more. It deletes it. But he got another piece that's gonna match with it perfectly for our install soon. But look at these headlights. How you feeling?
Finally.
Any words for Trump?
Thank you for the carbon fiber hood.
Thank
If
you
it wasn't for the stimulus, I wouldn't have got this.
Were you guys? I mean, watch merch. Would you guys buy merch if I had merch?
Yeah. No. No. Just kidding. Probably would.
Cause someone commented it.
Oh, I seen that.
You seen that?
Yeah.
See if
Yeah, you're missing those black things.
what black things? Oh no,
Inside.
no, he has it, but they're so faded that it looks like it. Yeah, it's right there, but it's so faded
Oh shit.
that.
I would take those off and paint them black.
Well, it's not. It's
But-
even.
Oh, you're missing the.
Dude, you came here with just a hood, and you leaving with hood and headlights. What do you guys think? Maybe we'll get some daytime videos of this.
Yeah, I'll pull up.
Some photos too. Maybe I'll throw some photos if I can't.
Just one that front one. Just needs a wash. Just needs a wash. Gotta ask you to.
This is a good ass angle right here. Sneak peek of the next video. Next. Oh yeah, that's what you're missing.
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek, next video. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Close it out.
Leave a motherfucking thumbs up.